You're dreaming of a life less ordinary. Maybe it's a cozy cabin in the woods, a vibrant city apartment, or a seaside cottage. But what if that dream home is in Sweden? And what if you could finance it with Lunar? That's the burning question we're tackling today. Sweden. Land of Vikings, ABBA, and stunning natural beauty. It's a land of dreams for many, but navigating the complexities of homeownership in a foreign country can feel daunting. Enter Lunar, a digital banking platform that's making waves across Europe. But does this innovative bank live up to the hype when it comes to buying property in Sweden? Let's dive in. First things first, does Lunar offer mortgages in Sweden? Unfortunately, as of right now, Lunar doesn't directly provide mortgages in Sweden. Their core services currently focus on personal banking, including current accounts, savings accounts, and investment options. So, how can Lunar help you buy a home in Sweden? While Lunar itself might not be your primary lender, it can still be a valuable tool in your home buying journey. Here's how. Streamlined savings. Lunar's user-friendly interface and flexible savings options can help you efficiently save for a down payment. Features like roundups, automatically rounding up your purchases and transferring the difference to savings, can significantly boost your savings over time. Easy budgeting. Tracking your expenses and income is crucial when planning a major purchase like a home. Lunar's budgeting tools can provide valuable insights into your spending habits, helping you identify areas where you can cut back and maximize your savings potential. International transfers. If you're transferring funds from another country to your Swedish bank account, Lunar can often facilitate smooth and potentially cost-effective international transfers. Currency exchange. If you need to exchange currency for your down payment or other expenses, Lunar might offer competitive exchange rates. Finding a mortgage in Sweden. While Lunar may not be your direct lender, several reputable banks and mortgage lenders operate in Sweden. Do your research, explore the Swedish mortgage market and compare interest rates, terms, and conditions offered by different lenders. Consult with a financial advisor. A local financial advisor can provide personalized guidance and help you navigate the complexities of the Swedish mortgage system. Consider a mortgage broker. Mortgage brokers can help you find the best deals and streamline the application process. While Lunar might not be your primary mortgage provider in Sweden, it can still be a valuable asset in your home buying journey. Its user-friendly features can help you save efficiently, budget effectively, and manage your finances with ease. Remember to thoroughly research your mortgage options and consult with financial professionals to ensure a smooth and successful home buying experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.